Hello and welcome to Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning, where quality education meets convenience of learning for upskilling and reskilling. I am Professor Dr. Padma Priya and I am excited to introduce you to our dynamic postgraduate program in retail management. Whether you are working professionals or fresh graduates, this program is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in the field of retail. The retail industry is one of the fastest growing sector globally. It's dynamic, challenging and ever evolving. To thrive in this competitive environment, you need to have that right knowledge and skills. At SCDL, we recognize the importance of staying ahead of the curve. Our 2-year postgraduate program in retail management is crafted to provide you with the most relevant and up-to-date information and training in retail management. From learning the fundamental subjects of retail management to mastering the customer behavior, supply chain management, retail analytics, this program covers all aspects of retail industry. And the best part that you can learn all this at your own pace from anywhere in the world without compromising on quality. At SCDL, we are committed to support your academic and professional growth. Our experienced faculty members, industry-focused curriculum, and flexible learning approach make this program the perfect fit for anyone who is looking forward for advancing their career in retail management. Our program also combines academic excellence with real-world application. You will also work on research projects guided by experienced faculty members to gain hands-on experience. So, what are you waiting for? Take the next step in your career and join us at Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning. Enroll in our postgraduate program in retail management today. Let us help you to unlock your potential in the exciting world of retail. Visit our website www.scdl.net. Happy learning!